In this video, we will take up how to find or identify the turning point of a parabola using completing the square method. Let's take up one equation here given by y equal to x squared plus 4x plus 7. Now if you try to factorize this, you would not be able to find real roots. Right, so what we'll do is we will solve this by using completing the square method. The advantage of this is that if a function is written in the form y equal to x minus a whole squared plus b, then the turning point can be easily identified as a b. Remember, we'll negate the sign of a and the b stays same. Now how to do this? Let's now consider the middle term, which is 4x. Divide it by 2, which gives us 2. So inside the bracket, write it as x plus 2 whole squared. And whatever number we put in here, square it and subtract that. So 2 squared is 4, so minus 4. The plus 7 stays here. Now if you're wondering what's happening here, let me show that. Here if you do x plus 2 whole squared, if you were to do x plus 2 whole squared, x plus 2 whole squared, that means repeat the bracket twice, x plus 2 times x plus 2, which would give us x times x, x squared. X times 2 gives us 2x. Again, 2 times x gives us 2x, and 2 times 2 gives us 4, which gives us x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now if you compare this to the one up here, you'd see that we have x squared, we have 4x, and there is an extra 4 here, which is why we subtracted that extra 4 here. So now if I were to do this, x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 7, you can see that we end up with the exact same equation as above, x squared plus 4x plus 7. And we have successfully converted this into this form. We have x plus 2 whole squared minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3, which gives us the turning point negative 2, because this is minus 2, right? So whatever is the number here, it has to be, if it is a positive number, turn it to a negative sign, so negative 2, and this is our b. So that is negative 2, 3. So this parabola or quadratic curve would have, or the quadratic equation would have a turning point at negative 2, 3. Now you may pause the video here and try to solve another equation on your own. All right, I'll just put the equation there, up there. You can try it on your own. So identify the curve given by y equal to x squared minus 6x plus 10. You may either pause it and try on your own, or you can just look down here. So for this, again, take a look. X squared minus 6x. Okay, so the middle term is 6 divided by 2, we would get 3, and retain the sign here. So you would have x minus 3, right, because 6 divided by 2. So x minus 3 whole squared. Now 3 whole squared is 9. Whether it was positive or negative, we are always going to subtract, because as you would see here, even if I do x minus 3 whole squared, it would still give me, rewrite the brackets, and you would have it as x minus 3, x minus 3, which if you open the bracket, it would give you x squared minus 3x, right, x squared minus 3x, and then you would have another minus 3x. And then if you see, with negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be a positive 9, which is why here we are subtracting 9. So whether the sign here is negative or positive, we will always subtract the square. So this is now 3 squared, 9, so just negative 9, and the 10, which was already there, plus 10. So x minus 3 whole squared minus 9 plus 10, which gives us the plus 1, and that gives us the turning point 3, 1, because it was already negative 3. So, and do you remember the format was y equal to x minus a whole squared plus b. So here already there's a negative sign, so this is going to be 3, and this is 1. So, or you could even remember that always negate the sign of a to what it was in the bracket. I hope this helps in making completing the squares easier for you.